Hello again, boys and girls. In this video, I'm going to go over how to complete each of the reading worksheets that you were assigned today. So there are 3 of those. And we're going to start with the sequencing because it has your actual reading that we're going to do for today. So let me present that worksheet to you. Okay, and so our sequencing worksheet looks like this. And let's make it a little bigger so we can see what we're doing here. And let's go up to the top. It says sequencing. Read the following short stories and answer the questions that follow. And this part is underlined, so it must be important. Write all answers using complete sentences. So remember, a complete sentence tells a complete thought. It doesn't leave you wondering what's coming next. And it has a capital letter at the beginning and an ending mark, usually a period, but we did talk about exclamation points and question marks. So an ending mark at the end. Okay, I'll read this one with you. Last week, my sister Marie had her soccer party at the skating rink. As soon as Marie and her friends arrived at the rink, they tried on some skates and rented the skates that fit them. They went straight to the benches to put on their skates. They put their other shoes in their locker to keep them safe. Before going onto the rink, Marie and her friends were taught how to skate. Immediately after stepping on the skating rink, they fell down. They held onto the wall and pulled themselves back up and continued holding the wall while getting used to the feeling of skating around. Okay, then you're going to answer the questions that come next. Right here where it says type here, you're going to type your answer. What did Marie and her friends do right before going onto the skating rink? Let's go back and see if we can find our text evidence. Here we go. Before going onto the rink, Marie and her friends were taught how to skate. So I'm going to type here, right before going onto the skating rink, Marie and her friends were taught how to skate. Okay, I need my ending mark. See, I have misspelled something here. Okay, and I need to come back here and take out the rest of my type here. So let me read it over. Right before going on to the skating rink, and I pause there. When I make a pause, I usually put in a comma. So Marie and her friends were taught how to skate. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and answer the next question about the story about Marie and her soccer party. When you finish that, you're going to read the next story and write your answers. Then you're going to go to the next page where you have a third story and 2 questions to answer, and then a 4th story and 2 questions to answer. So that's how you're going to do the sequencing worksheet. Everybody got it? All right, let's stop sharing this one, and I will share the synonyms with you. So let's present the synonym worksheet. Okay, hopefully you can see that synonym worksheet now. Let's make that one a little bigger. Okay, so your synonym worksheet looks like this. Let's review what a synonym is. Who can tell me what is a synonym? That's right. Synonyms are words that mean the same or almost the same. So let's look at our worksheet. Read all 4 words, circle the 2 that are synonyms. So we're going to look at each line. We're going to read all 4 words and circle the 2 that are synonyms. And they have done an example for us. So let's look at our example. It says small, large, heavy, and big. So small and large don't mean the same thing. Large and heavy, maybe something large could be heavy, but how about large and big? Can I use those words in place of each other usually? You can say it's a large dog or it's a big dog. Yeah, I think so. So they have drug their circles over and put them around those two words. So let's do number one together. Number one, our words are collapse, fell, leaned, and stood. Collapse, fell, leaned, or stood. If I leaned, I didn't really fall or collapse, and I didn't really stand. But if I collapse, do I fall down? I think I do. So I'm going to choose fell and collapse. So I think those are my two synonyms in line one. Okay, you're going to go on and do all of the rest through number 23. So you're going to do 2 through 23, finding the synonyms in each line. Okay, everybody got that? Pretty simple. All right, let's stop sharing this one. Come back to you for a quick minute and present our third worksheet, which is our spelling. So here we are at our spelling worksheet. Make it a bit bigger so we can all read it. And we have been talking earlier today and earlier this week about the short vowel sounds that E, O, and U make. So short vowel E says eh, short vowel O says ah, short vowel U says ah, and we're going to be using those sounds here in our spelling worksheet. So these are our spelling words for the week. And since we're online, we're not taking a traditional spelling test at the end of the week, but I will be grading some of these spelling phonics worksheets for a spelling grade for your report card. So let's look at our instructions. Write a spelling word that goes with the other two words. So you're looking for groups that make sense. So here we have ocean and lake. So let's think, what do an ocean and a lake have in common? Well, they are bodies of water. Let's look and see if we have any words up here that are bodies of water. Step, mess, head, crops, stop, rock, clock, sock, pond. Oh, pond. Is a pond a body of water? I think it is. So that one seems like it would go here. So I'm going to put my cursor here. I'm going to backspace until I get rid of type here because I don't need that in there. And I'm going to type in the word pond. Okay, so you see how my words go together, ocean, lake, and pond. So for number 2, ants, grasshoppers, these are kinds of bugs. I think we might be looking for a kind of bug here. So you're going to go ahead and complete numbers 2 through 5. And then we're going to look at part B. So for part B, we're going to write the spelling word that best completes each sentence. So let's do number 6 together. We know how to blank at a red light. Let's go back to our spelling words and see what makes sense there. We know how to blank at a red light. Step, do we step at a red light? Mess, head, crops, stop, rock. Oh, wait, I think I missed it. Stop, do we stop at a red light? We do stop at a red light. So I think stop is what we need to type right here. So we know to stop at a red light. Okay, so you are going to go ahead and finish 7 through 15 by choosing the spelling word up here. You're not just choosing any word, you're choosing one of these spelling words to fill in that makes the sentence complete. All right, so this will be a spelling grade for you, so take your time and do your best. And let me come back to you for a minute. There you are. All right, so those are your reading assignment worksheets for Wednesday, August 26th, and I hope you enjoy working on them. So I look forward to seeing your best work. See you later. Bye.